Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. On January 13, 1975, Sultan Muhammad Dipatuan Kudarat of Maguindanao was hailed as national hero of the Filipino people and not just of Muslim Filipinos. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Following Letter of Instruction 126 na ipinalabas noon ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos noong September of 1973, ang mga selyong pag-alaala ni Sultan Kudarat ay iniharap sa mga inapo ng bayani upang makatulong na itampok ang kontribusyon ng mga Muslim na Pilipino sa pakikibaka ng Pilipinas laban sa 400 years ng dayuhang dominasyon. Ang bayani ay isang sultan ng Maguindanao at isang direktang inapo ni Sharif Kabungsuan, isang misyonaryong Muslim na nagpalaganap ng pananampalatayang Islam noong ika-14 na siglo sa Mindanao. During his reign, Sultan Kudarat successfully thwarted Spanish efforts to conquer his sultanate. He also hindered Mindanao's conversion into Christianity. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Queen Elizabeth II, it is often the small steps, not the giant leaps, that bring about the most lasting change. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Mama Papa and Haha Happy. Maraming salamat po.